Hey, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create multiple agents in OpenClaw. If you only have one main agent doing absolutely everything, managing your calendar, writing code, drafting emails, it can get messy and expensive. So today I'll show you how to set up specialized sub-agents using the command line. And don't worry if you've never used a command line before, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. So before we dive in, let's just talk about why are we doing this. So having one main agent do everything is like trying to chop down a tree and slice a tomato with a butter knife. It works, but it's not efficient. So when your single agent holds all your business context and memory, it uses up a massive amount of tokens every time it thinks. So by creating specialized sub-agents, like one strictly for research or one strictly for coding, you're going to isolate information, so they'll only have access to the files they need. You can also ensure they don't have a heartbeat, meaning they aren't constantly running in the background, which saves you lots of money, and this gives you much better high focused outputs for specific tasks. Now if you're on a Mac, all you have to do is open the search bar and then type in terminal, then just click enter. What this will do is it will open your terminal for you. Now, if you have installed OpenClaw via the terminal, then all you have to do is run this command, OpenClaw agents add, then just click enter, and we'll call this agent matrix. Click enter, and then it's going to create a workspace directory. We don't have to do this now. We just click no, and just click no for now. And it's added our agent. Now if you are on a Windows machine, all you have to do is just click your start menu and type in command prompt or PowerShell, and you can hit enter on either and just run the same exact command, which is the OpenClaw agents add command that we run right here. Now to verify that the agent has been added in after we run this command, we can just go to the OpenClaw interface here, and then we'll click on agents, and this is our newly added agent right here. If it's not appearing, just click on refresh or refresh your web page, and then it should pop up. And the reason why I'm doing it through the terminal is that sometimes through the chat interface here, I've run into some issues in the past where I've asked it to add a agent, and for some reason it's given me this massive jargon of text. So this is just a more reliable way of doing it. Now I know that opening a terminal, managing API keys, and dealing with server setups isn't for everyone. So if you want a reliable OpenClaw workflow and setup without the trial and error, that is exactly why I built Remote OpenClaw. So we offer a remote deployment service that helps finders launch secure AI operators on their own VPS. And we also handle the configuration. We connect it to your Telegram, WhatsApp, or Slack, and apply strict security controls so your system stays stable in production. If you're interested, just check out the link below, remoteopenclaw.com, to book a call. Now, if you're worried about the token costs of running these agents, you need to watch my next video right here, how to run OpenClaw for free. And if you want to get this running in the cloud so you don't have to leave your computer turned on, click over to here to watch how I run OpenClaw for $7 a month. So click on one of those right now, and I'll see you over there.